Let me show you how to paint an earring on a person in your acrylic portrait. I'm working on the 16 by 20 acrylic portrait, this commissioned painting of the couple and their cat. Getting really close to being done with it, but I forgot to do the highlights on the woman's earring. That's super important. So let's dive in here and I'll show you how to do this. So we got our ear there, got the earring. We've got to put the highlights in. So we're going to take my size 2 round brush and I'm going to grab some titanium white, mix it with just a little bit of Indian yellow, and then what we're going to do is zoom in here on the reference photo. This is what I'm painting. You can see the highlights right there, there, and there. That's not just as easy as putting in a couple dabs of paint. We have to kind of segue it in. So the first step is to, let's see, mix a little raw umber dark with this titanium white and raw or Indian yellow mix, and we want to create kind of a lighter gray. So we're going to start with that. Put that on first. And let's see, on the other side, we're going to go with a little bit of a lighter color. And again, we just start with that lighter color and have it comprise a good portion of the earring. And then after that dries, we can go ahead and put in the highlight on top. Now we're going to keep this glaze going. And let's just add a little bit more raw umber dark. Just a touch of raw sienna. All right. That's good. Now we're going to come in with the really light highlights on top. So we'll go back to that titanium white and we're just going to hit that, try to get it in the right spot. Yeah, I think probably right about here will be good. And then we'll hit it right here on the other side. I can zoom in even closer. You can really see what's going on. So we're just gonna dive right in there and just dab this. And then the other side, go back to that and dab it a little bit. You can let that highlight actually exceed the boundaries of the metal just a little bit. And that'll make it more convincing. Now let's go in here with a little bit of titanium white and raw sienna and raw umber dark. And we're just going to extend this darker value, this midtone, in just a bit. All right, we're going to extend this in. And I want to put a little bit of a darker value with some raw umber dark on the bottom of the earring, just to establish that shadow there. Should be a little darker there. Grab Grab a little more ombre dark. And again, just to go on the bottom. Okay, we're going to need ultramarine blue and a touch of alizarin crimson. Really need to get a darker color right underneath that earring, because with this frontal flash photography highlight, it's going to cast a very thin dark shadow right next to the object. So we're just going to lightly put that in and suggest it. Okay, that's good. We'll just darken this, use this opportunity to darken the back of her sweater just a bit to give us some more contrast, and that'll help that to stand out even further. We're darkening this part a little bit. Again, just helping this all to stand out. And then lastly, let's just cut this shape up a little bit tighter here. I want it to be ever so slightly dark just in that upper corner. That's good. That's good. All right. I might just add a little more of a nuance up there. There we go. So now let's zoom out a little bit, take a look at it. And that's what we have. I like how that added some really nice realism there with those two highlights. That's really good. That is really good. So, hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I want to say thank you for watching. I want to say thank you for your comments and your support on this channel. It means so much to me just to know that people are being benefited by these teaching videos that I'm putting out. So again, thank you for that. And hey, check out my website, realisticacrylic.com. I have several tips, tutorials, videos that'll help you to become a better portrait painter. So check that out there. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. God bless, and we'll talk to you soon.